Someone asked how noisy our linear guides are. Today, we're going to test the quiet performance of our guides. Let's see it. Now, the baseline noise level in the room is approximately 35 dB. Let's first test the noise level of a well-known brand's linear guide, the HIWIN HG series. The test is complete. The noise level of the HIWIN HG series linear guide is approximately between 70 and 73 dB. Excellent question. Now, let's proceed to test the noise level of our own linear guide under the exact same conditions. The noise level of the YOSO YG series linear guide ranges from 67 to 70 dB, which actually makes it quieter than the HIWIN linear guide in terms of noise performance. Is this result surprising? In fact, YOSO has been committed to improving our manufacturing processes. When it comes to production techniques, we already match top international brands, yet we offer more competitive pricing. If you're interested, feel free to reach out to us for further information.